In this video, you will learn how to change the horizontal axis values or x-axis values in Microsoft Excel graphs. Currently, you can see here I have used a line graph for demonstration purpose, and here you can see here I have displayed the year instead of these months. I have replaced these months with years. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, I will delete this graph. Now you can see here we have two sets of data. In first set of data, the x-axis values are in the form of text. You can easily make a graph using these values. While in second set of data, the x-axis values are in the form of numbers. It is difficult to make graph from this data. Firstly, I will select this data. To generate a line graph, go to Insert option. And from here I will select line graph and select this one. Now if you want to generate a graph using this set of data, then Excel will not accurately plot these values on x-axis because Excel will recognize these values as y-axis values. For example, I will select this one, go to Insert option, and in Insert option you will find the option of line graph under charts. Click here and I will select this one. Now you can see here the x-axis values was in years and Excel has displayed 1, 2, 3, 4 as x-axis values. So how can we address these issues? Firstly, I will place it here. Now data is also visible to us. After that, select the x-axis. I will select this one. After selecting, right click, and here you will find the option of select data. Click on it. Now here you can see here we have two panes. This one shows the y-axis data and this one shows the x-axis data. You can see here numbers are displayed here 1, 2, 3 and these are displayed on x-axis. Now I am interested to remove this year data series because this is the x-axis values instead of y-axis values. So firstly I will select this one. Now you can see here I have selected year data series. After selecting, click on remove. Now you can see here years are removed from our graph. Now our task is to replace these numbers with years. I will click on edit option. Place it here. Now you can select any values. For example, I want to replace this with years. Click on here and using dragging option I will select remaining rows cells and a small box appears which shows that I have selected 8 rows and 1 column. After selecting that, click on OK. And now you can see here that the numbers are replaced with years. After doing that, click on OK. And you have successfully replaced the values. Similarly, if I again want to replace these values, I will simply right click, go to select data option, and I am interested to replace years with months. I will place it here. Click on edit option, and from here I will remove the existing values and I will select months which are given here. After selecting, click on OK and again OK. Now you can see here the years are replaced with months. So by doing so you can easily change horizontal axis values according to your requirement. If you are interested to change the y-axis values, then watch our next video. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.